Welcome back, y'all. I'm Azalea. You're watching my YouTube channel, WayCrunchy. This Ole Shack series. We're on the home stretch between Thanksgiving and Christmas to finish this house and move in. This, one of the last things left to do. Today, John, my partner in life and love and business, is going to insulate this wall. Now, that's not strictly required for final inspection, but that's where we're going to sleep. It's on the other side of that wall, and that's where the new baby is going to sleep and take their little nap and all that. So for sound, I'm going to be very thankful for the insulation, just for a little soundproofing there. John is measuring. What kind of insulation are you putting in these walls, John?
Just little fiberglass bats, because it's cheap and it's the 2x4s.
All right, Johnny's got a good start here, and he's got down around the floor. And then tomorrow, we're all measured out and ready to go, and we'll go pick up some more insulation and get her done. All right, y'all. I apologize for low light quality, but I had to bring y'all into the bed. We've got a blanket over the window because these windows just like let the cold air pour right in. Anyway, that's what's up with that. We do have actual curtains. But I have subscriber mail. Angela, Sphinx, what are you? Sphinx 212. Thank you for including your screen name because that's obviously how I recognize you guys from like comments and stuff. So, Angela, I got your package. Angela went on my wish list, which you can find in the description of the video, just Azalea's wish list. And on my wish list, I had a pregnancy pillow. And let me tell you, this is my third baby. I've never had any kind of a pregnancy pillow. But my belly, when I lay in the bed, even though it's not that big yet, is heavy, and it pulls across towards the bed when I lay on my side. And I saw this design of the pillow, and I was like, this is the perfect thing, because I've been using a bed pillow, like sticking it under my belly. And I saw this, and I wished for it, and Angela sent me my wish. So this packaging is like vacuum sealed, so I wanted to show y'all how interesting it is. Look, it's got like the little like screw thing, and they like sucked the pillows down flat before they packaged it. Look by your bed in the pile of stuff.
Wait, you put this I have to
Cut.
No,
not before bed. You can't have a peppermint patty.
Where?
Look, you need to go to your room and you need to put on some pajamas.
And with my shack on.
And take off your little fuzzy vest.
With my scrap.
After you put on your pajamas, you can look for your scrapbook. Look, they're inflating. I popped the vacuum seal. The last couple of times I've got new mattresses, they were all like sealed up into a tiny box, and then they puff up when you buy them, when you open them. Oh, it's pretty popped up already.
What is that, a balloon pillow?
A pregnancy pillow.
A balloon pillow.
So my belly needs something to hold it up while I sleep on my side.
Mm-hmm. So this is what this is.
Yes, it's my pregnancy pillow. All right, so we've got Velcro on one side, and then, so I sleep in between these.
Interesting. I can't imagine how.
It's like a taco, and I'm the meat. Look at this. It's perfect. It really is perfect. I feel cradled and supported. I don't need my bed pillow on this side.
Yeah. That's what she was doing.
Thank you, Angela. I'm so happy to have this. I'm going to sleep with it every single night. All right, so yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday. And John, I think, is going to get all the insulation done today. John, you getting it all done?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, maybe you're so close. And today is Wednesday, and it is raining. Therefore, I am faced with my seasonal depression. Oh, y'all, I saw on the forecast it was going to be raining today. And so I made myself a little motivational mini poster for today. I don't give up. I got problems, but I don't give up. And I work with my own problems, sometimes in creative ways. Anyway, I'm going to go into my barn house, my rental, and I'm going to get my depression sun lamp and shine it in whatever room I'm in. And I am going to pack, clean, and organize like my little heart is in it. I'm going to get stuff done today. We getting moved. We getting organized. I'll show y'all my little poster when I go inside. But honestly, today is Wednesday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Every day of this week. I'm in the morning. I literally just dropped the kids off from school. Every day of this week, I have been faced with an unexpected, significantly trying situation. Between myself, my immediate family members, my other family members, it is every day I got something new and unexpected to deal with that stresses me out. This is maybe going to be the longest week ever. I got something new and unusual stressing me out, unrelated to the fixer-upper, every day. And life is not easy. Life is not easy. But I told myself, I was like, don't matter if you're seasonally depressed. Don't matter if you're stressed. It don't matter what crazy, unexpected crisis is going to pop up today. You are going to get stuff done. You are going to move toward your number one focus goal right now, which is celebrating winter solstice in the new house. And so I have to give myself the pep talk. 22 days. I have 22 days before winter solstice. I gotta get a move on. Ain't nobody gonna make your dreams come true but yourself. Alright, I heard back from the contractor, and he said it'll be within the next 2 weeks. That's 14 days. I have 22 days. This should work out. Well, y'all, I done made it to the new house. I had a really productive, good day. I showed you guys kind of what I was doing in the kitchen. It was a lot of that vibe throughout the day. I got a box together of things to take to the Goodwill thrift store. I had a stack of books to take to the little free library. I I have a bag of foods that we just keep passing over. We're not going to eat, that I'm going to take to be donated. A bag of things that when my daughter goes to visit her father, just like things that should go back to his house. So I made like all those piles, and I've already been to the little free library. I've already dropped off the box at the Goodwill. I've got a couple of boxes of things that I packed up to bring here, but mostly cleaning, organizing. I'm feeling really positive and like that all went really well, and getting started. I feel like today is the first day that I was really getting started on like actively, very imminently moving. And so that feels really good. And the sun came out this afternoon, and that feels really good. And after I was done cleaning and wiping down walls and cobwebs and packing and sorting, I took a bath and I washed my hair, and I am feeling good, y'all. I am feeling good. I'm going to drop off everything else that needs to be dropped off today. So when I go back into my house is going to be lighter and easier for me to approach again tonight or tomorrow. It's going to be easier once you got to get the stuff away. The stuff that needs to go away needs to go away. And then it's easier to deal with what remains. Our finished insulation between the living room and me and John's bedroom. Voila. So the floor is a bit of a mess since John got all that insulation in, so I'm going to run a quick vacuum.